क्या कैंसर सच में एक लाइलाज इनक्यूरेबल डिजीज है? जहां एक तरफ सारी कंट्रीज ये क्लेम कर रही हैं कि उन्होंने क्योर बना दिया है कैंसर का, वहीं इंडिया की हेरिटेज में छुपा हुआ एक क्योर मिला है. So hello and welcome. You're watching Next IAS. My name is Titiksha Pandey and today let us understand कि कोन्यक ट्राइब का एक ऐसा क्या एक सीक्रेट है जिससे कैंसर क्योर हो सकता है. So let's quickly get started. The first thing that we're going to talk about is the latest news, indigenous knowledge and science. रिसर्चर्स ने आइडेंटिफाई किया है कि एक ट्रेडिशनल हर्बल फॉर्मुलेशन है जो कोन्यक ट्राइब के द्वारा यूज किया जाता है और ये शो करता है कि इसमें पोटेंशियल है एंटी कैंसर प्रॉपर्टीज का, जो कि एक प्रिलिमिनरी स्टडी है. मतलब इनिशियली एक स्टडी है, लेकिन अगर इसमें ध्यान से स्टडी की जाए then definitely it has the potential to bring us a cure for cancer. Highlights importance of indigenous medicinal knowledge systems. ये हाईलाइट करता है कि कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है इंडिजिनियस मेडिकल नॉलेज सिस्टम्स का होना, इन ट्राइब्स का होना. हमारे इंडिया की हेरिटेज और कल्चर इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग है कि डेफिनेटली देयर इज समथिंग, कहीं ना कहीं आपको किसी ना किसी बीमारी का क्योर मिलेगा. एंड here you can see this is the biggest example of it. Reinforces need for ethnobotanical research. So ethnobotanical research होनी चाहिए इस traditional herbal medicine पर. And IPR protection for of tribal knowledge. IPR protection होनी चाहिए tribal knowledge पर कि जो भी ये tribal knowledge है ये IPR के द्वारा protected रहे. Now this topic becomes highly relevant for GS paper 3 science and tech and health and GS paper 1 tribal culture. Now let us move ahead and talk more about this tribe जिनके पास ये लाइलाज बीमारी का एक क्योर है. So the tribe location and origin की अगर हम बात करें, they are primarily found in Nagaland, Mon district and Arunachal Pradesh, Tirap and Changlang districts. Belong to Mongoloid ethnic group. Mongoloid ethnic group में belong करते हैं. And their name origin is Wao means head, Nyak means black. Men with black hair. One of the largest Naga tribes. They are one of the largest Naga tribes. And moving forward, let's talk about the culture and society. So इनका जो religion है 95%, around 95% they follow Christianity. Earlier animistic beliefs इनके थे. Now there is a tattoo tradition. Facial and body tattoos is a symbol of valor and achievement. Bravery का और achievement का symbol होता है कि अगर face में body में tattoos हैं आपके. Earlier linked with head hunting practices. पहले इसको लिंक किया जाता था head hunting practices से भी. अब इनकी जो लैंग्वेज है वो है कोन्यक लैंग्वेज. शीनो टिबेटन फैमिली, नदन नागा सब ब्रांच. Okay, now let's talk about their social structure. So they have a patriarchal society. Eldest son inherits the property. जो सबसे बड़ा बेटा होता है इनके ट्राइब में वो इनहेरिट करता है प्रॉपर्टी. Moving forward, let's talk about the economy and the festivals. So the economy, skilled in firearm making, traditional gunsmith. ये firearm making में skilled होते हैं, traditional gunsmith होते हैं. And handicrafts की अगर हम बात करें तो bamboo and cane work, basketry, brass ornaments, इन सब में भी they are very skilled people. Now agriculture की अगर हम बात करें तो they practice jhum, which is the shifting cultivation. Jhum becomes highly important for your examination perspective. इसके बारे में जरूर आप थोड़ा डिटेल में पढ़ लीजिएगा. What is shifting cultivation? You should know that. And major festivals, Oling Monu, which is spring festival, which is their most important festival, and Onimo and Lao Ongmo. So I am not very well versed with the pronunciation of these festivals. So if I have pronounced something wrong, please do let me know in the comment section below. And festivals reflect करते हैं agricultural cycles, okay, and community bonding. Moving forward, let's talk about the MCQ for revision. So we have talked about the cure, potential anti-cancer cure, and we have talked about this Konyak tribe. Now let us talk about the MCQ for revision. Let's see who was listening attentively. Konyak tribe is primarily found in which state? A. Mizoram, B. Nagaland, C. Manipur, D. Meghalaya. Which option do you think is the right one? Do let me know in the comment section below. And that is it for today. I will see you in another deep dive video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.